How to turn off shorts on YouTube on your computer. This tutorial shows you how to reduce shorts appearing in your feed and recommendations. First, open your browser and go to youtube.com. After that, sign into your Google account. From there, look at the left sidebar and check if a shorts shelf appears on your home feed. At this point, hover over any shorts video shown there. In the next step, click on the three dots that appear on that video. Following this, select Not Interested from the options. Once done, repeat this for a few more shorts videos to help train YouTube's algorithm to show fewer of them. From here, keep in mind there's no direct on-off toggle for shorts on the desktop site, unlike some options in the mobile app. At this stage, if you want a more permanent fix, consider using a browser extension designed to hide YouTube Shorts completely. Keep in mind, using third-party extensions means installing software outside of YouTube itself, so only download from trusted sources like the Chrome Web Store. Finally, refresh your YouTube homepage to see whether Shorts recommendations have reduced. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn off Shorts on YouTube on your computer, give it a like. Subscribe for more Windows tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.